Let's talk for a few minutes about the Zippo hand warmer. I've owned these since I was a teenager, and I've always found them to be very comforting. When it's bitter cold, you could place one in each pocket of your pants or your jacket, and all you have to do is reach in for a little warm comfort. Great little devices, and they're very simple. They do not emit a flame, so they're safe. They do emit carbon monoxide, but I don't think to the point where it's going to be dangerous. They're very simple to use. All you do is fill them using this little handy measuring device with Zippo fuel. This one's marked for 12 hours, but you could easily just fill it halfway for 6 hours. I know from using them that you're going to at least get 12 hours of use from filling it at the 12 hours mark. Let's move everything out of the way and start by filling this measuring device using Zippo fuel. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time here. Just going to show you. It's very easy to use. Go ahead and put the spout into the device, and about 3 or 4 squirts, and you're at the 12-hour mark, just like that. Set that out of the way. All right, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to remove the catalyst or the wick from the top of the device. What you have here is, I'm not sure, it may be some type of glass wool, but it has platinum in it. And platinum is what causes the catalytic reaction. You're not burning the fuel, you're burning the fumes. At no time is the catalyst in contact with the absorbent material. All it's doing is catching the fumes and burning the fumes through a catalytic reaction. So first, let's go ahead and fill the warmer with fuel. Take your time. It does absorb the material readily. And there we go. 12 hours of fuel. Set this out of the way. You want to hold it upright for about 2-3 minutes. You want the material to absorb all the way down into the cotton or rayon. I'm sure they're using rayon like they do in the lighters. If you laid it down right away, it may leak, but if you hold it upright for 2 or 3 minutes, it will become completely saturated down in the material, and it won't leak. The next thing you want to do is place the catalytic top on the body of the hand warmer, and then you'll take a lighter and you will apply heat for about 10 seconds. You're not igniting the material, you're just applying heat so that the catalytic reaction can occur. That's about 10 seconds. That's going to take about 15 minutes to warm up completely. As you can see, there's no burning occurring. But trust me, it is burning the fuel. I'm going to use my FLIR camera to show you that indeed it is working. As you can see, the body of the warmer is much cooler, but as you can see, the tip or head is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that's not going to be hot enough to ignite anything, but it sure is a nice warmth. Once you apply the top and put it in its felt case, it provides a great amount of warmth to your hands. Now what you're going to want to do, of course, is to place the top that protects you from getting burned, and then a further measure not to get burned is to put it in its felt container. And there you have it. A great source of warmth for the next 12 hours. And like I say, you could put it in your pants pocket, your jacket pockets, or your shirt pockets. I'm not going to recommend this, but I put one of these down by my feet in a sleeping bag, and it's run all night, and I didn't wake up on fire. So like I say, I'm not going to recommend it, but I've done it. So anyway, I just wanted to show you this real quick. I hope I've helped you, and don't be afraid to get one of these. You're not gonna catch on fire using one. They're very safe and effective. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later.